Hello everyone. Once again, myself Ashish Jain in front of you in accountancy class 11th recording of transaction part first. And today we are going to solve question number 14th of your NCERT book. Generalize the following transaction in the books of Harpreet Brothers. 1000 rupee due from Rohit are now bad debits. Goods worth rupees 2000 are used by proprietor. Third, charges depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum for 2 months in machine costing of rupees 30,000. Fourth one, providing interest on capital rupees 1,50,000 at 6% per annum for 9 months. And lastly, Rahul became insolvent who owned is rupees 2000 rupees final dividend of 60 paise in a rupees is received from his estate. So it's a very interesting question. A, C, D and E. These are all the new entries which we will study and you all will understand in my teaching. So point number 1, which was the rupees 1000 due by Rohit are now bad debits. So in this bad debits account debit, 2 debtors we can write Rohit account because 1000 was due from Rahul and are now a bad debits. Next year हो सकता है मिलता है कि नहीं, whatever. So bad debit account debit to Rohit account, 1000 rupee amount due from Rohit is bad debits. Next one is goods worth rupees 2000 were used by the proprietor. Very easy. Drawing account debit to purchase account, goods withdrawal for personal use, 2000. Next one is depreciation charge 10% for 2 months on machine of 30,000. So depreciation account debit to machine account. But before it, the machine was of 30,000. Cost of machine 30,000. 10%. So 30,000 into 10 by 100 equal to 3,000 is the annual, we can say, depreciation. But it is of 2 months we need. So 3,000 into 2 by 12. Answer will come 500 rupee. So here we will write 500 rupee. Depreciation 500 to machine 500 for 2 months. Charge of rupees 30,000. Next one is interest on capital of 1,50,000 6%. So again 1,50,000 6%. So yearly interest will be per annum. So 9,000. But we need of 9 months. So 9 by 12, 9,000 into 9 by 12 equal to 7,050 into 9. So answer will come 6,750 rupees. So interest on capital debit 6,050 to capital account 6,050. Interest charge 6% for 9 months on 1,50,000. Next one is provide. So hope so last entry, it's very nice. Once again I am reading. Rahul became insolvent who owned his 2000 rupee final dividend of rupees 60 paise per rupees he received. यानी कि 60 पैसे 1 रुपये में उसने मिले हैं. तो 2000 में how much he will get? Very easy. 1 rupee he is getting 60 paise. 10 rupee he will get 6 rupees. 100 rupee he will get 60 rupees. 1000 rupee he will get 600. तो 2000 में 1200. So 1200 रुपये उसको मिलते हैं. 2000 minus 1200 it will be 800. The 800 will be the bad debits for him. So he will mention the entry. Cash 1200. Bad debits 800. To Rahul 2000 rupee. Final dividend paid to Rahul on 60 paise in our rupees. Hope so you understand. Please once again see this. 1 rupee 60 paise, 10 60 6 rupees, 100 60, 1000 600 or 2000 1200. And likewise you can take it out. Very easy method I have give you. And total 1000 2000 500 6 750 plus 2000 it will be 12,250 rupees. Hope so you all understand. It was a very easy and some new entries we have studied in question number 14 recording of transaction. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.